Yo, this shit fire as fuck. You better not be cursing at my fucking house. What you over here doing? I'm making music, Dad. It's like really complicated. I don't think you would understand. Get out the way. Let me see how this shit work. Alright. I told you I knew how to do this shit. The hell wrong with you? I think I got good at this. I'll show you up. And this is your equipment. That shit's sad. I'm out. Better get your homework done too. I can't stand that nigga though. He always walking in my room uninvited and shit. Like, can you at least knock on the fucking door? The fuck you just say to me? I didn't say nothing. That's what I thought. Feel like you said something smart under your breath. I'ma let it slide. Hey. Punk ass nigga dog. Did you do your homework? I'm almost finished with it. Almost my ass. Exactly. Give me your laptop. But Dad, I'm done with my homework though. I'm done with my homework. I've been finished it. Alright, give me your homework. I want to see it. Funny. Give me your laptop. Dad, I'm playing. I'm about to get my homework right now.
"12 seconds later.
Homework, Dad. Just finished it. You know what? That's fine. I have your mom deal with you when she get home. Clean this up.